Want complete visibility into your OLSP MegaLink traffic? ClickerVolt makes tracking opt-ins, checkout form views, and commissions effortless. Let's configure the entire integration in under 2 minutes. First, locate your MegaLink URL on the dashboard. Below it, find the squeeze page URL and click the copy button to save it. Switch to ClickerVolt. Click Create New in the top right. Type OLSP for the link name. Provide a short slug, then click Add Target. Name your target MegaLink squeeze page. In the destination URL field, paste the link you copied. Notice the success banner at the top. ClickerVolt instantly detects the OLSP domain and configures the tracking framework for you automatically. For optimal tracking accuracy, this integration requires your unique username. To finalize this connection, you must enable the specific integration toggle inside your OLSP account settings. Click the integrations link provided in the first step of the setup checklist. This opens your OLSP settings page directly in a new tab. Locate the ClickerVolt integration row. Toggle the switch to activate live tracking. Next, click the Settings button to configure the connection. Return to your ClickerVolt tab. Click the Copy button next to your ClickerVolt username. Switch back to the OLSP tab. Paste your copied username into the modal field, then click Save Settings to establish the connection. Navigate back to ClickerVolt and scroll past the remaining setup instructions. Because the automated detection handles the technical details, you bypass these manual configuration steps entirely. Click Add and Close at the bottom to finalize your target. Finally, click Create Link to generate your new campaign URL. Your tracking is now active. Let's verify the system works. Click the Copy button next to your new link. Open a fresh browser tab, paste the URL, and load your squeeze page. Close the Test tab and return to your dashboard. Click the Refresh button in the top right. Notice the status updates to show 1 active click. For granular data, click the Total Clicks value. The Details panel reveals the exact visitor profile and interaction history. Click the Close icon when finished. To optimize your campaigns effectively, you must track the exact origin of your traffic. Whether you promote on your personal Facebook profile, YouTube descriptions, or via solo ads, assigning unique parameters to your link is critical. This ensures every future opt-in and sale ties back to the specific source that generated it. For best results, use consistent naming conventions for your traffic sources to keep your reports clean and actionable. This powerful attribution logic prevents wasted spend and highlights your most profitable marketing channels. Click your link name row to open the editor. Locate the URL Builder button in the top right and click to open the tracking configuration. Under the Tracking Parameters section, locate the source field. I'm typing FB profile here to identify clicks coming from my Facebook profile. This tags any visitor using this exact link, giving you precise attribution data. Click the Copy button on the right to grab your customized URL for posting. Open a new tab and paste your tagged URL. Watch as the squeeze page loads. The system invisibly registers this visit to your Facebook profile. Let's simulate a real user opt-in. Type a test name in the first field. Enter a valid email address below it, then click the Get Free Access button to submit the form and trigger the integration. Navigate back to your ClickerVolt tab and return to the dashboard. Click the Refresh button to pull the latest interaction data. Click the report icon next to your link name to analyze its performance. This dedicated view breaks down your traffic by specific sources. Notice the FB profile row displays 1 visitor and 1 event. The system successfully captured the opt-in action and attributed it precisely to the correct tracking link and source. Click the number 1 in the events column. The details show E1, which we will rename later to something more useful, confirming the opt-in tracking triggered successfully. Close the modal and return to the MegaLink sales page. Scroll down to the pricing section and click the main purchase button to proceed. The checkout page loads. Reaching this specific step represents high buying intent from your prospect. Tracking visitors who view this form gives you crucial data to measure visitor journey and understand traffic quality before any sales are made. Switch back to ClickerVolt. Click the Refresh button. The dashboard now shows 2 total events for the campaign. Click the report icon again to dive deeper. Click the events value in the table. The activity log now shows both E1 for the initial opt-in and E2 representing the checkout form view. This sequence proves the tracking logic captures every critical touchpoint along the journey. Close the Details window. To make your reports instantly readable, click the Settings menu at the top right. Next, select the Custom Event Names tab on the left. Type Opt-ins in the Event 1 field to replace the generic label. Type Checkout Form Views for Event 2. This maps the raw data to meaningful metrics. Click the Save Event Names button at the bottom to apply these custom labels globally. Click Dashboard in the navigation bar to return to your links. Open the events list by clicking the total count. Close the modal, then click the report icon to view the source breakdown. Click the Show Columns drop-down above the table to customize your view. Uncheck the total events and event rate options to hide the generic data. Next, check Opt-ins and Opt-ins rate, followed by Checkout Form Views and its corresponding rate checkbox to activate them. Click anywhere outside the menu area to close the drop-down and instantly apply the new column layout to your report. To track actual sales and attribute revenue correctly, click the Visitors menu at the top. Next, click the Manual Attribution button to open the Data Entry panel. Switch to your OLSP tab, and let me show you where you can get access to your sales data. Open the Affiliate menu and click Transactions. Keep in mind, importing this data regularly ensures your ClickerVolt reports always reflect true profit and return on investment. Select the text for your recent transaction rows and copy them. Switch back to your ClickerVolt tab and paste the raw data directly into the email addresses field. ClickerVolt automatically detects that you pasted OLSP transactions data. Click the Record Conversions button to process the sales data. Click the dashboard link to return to your campaigns, then hit the Refresh button to update your global performance totals with the new revenue. Click the report icon to view the finalized financial data attributed to your best-performing traffic sources. Click your link name whenever you need to use the URL builder for tracking new sources. That's it. Your OLSP MegaLink traffic is now completely tracked from the very first click to the final commission payout. By combining custom tracking parameters with simple transaction imports, you gain an unfair advantage in the market. You now have complete visibility into every opt-in, checkout view, and successful sale generated by your marketing efforts. Check your reports regularly to spot precise source attribution, instantly pause your underperforming traffic channels, and aggressively scale the campaigns that drive real profit.